Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 22nd of January, almost finishing up the month. Yesterday. All right, let's review yesterday straight. On the screen is yesterday straight. We were looking for buys above this point, impulse entries, and we're also looking for sales below this point. So the buys didn't really happen because again, we had this kind of pull up and then it pulled all the way down. I didn't really take any trade yet because I was waiting for a candle to close above that point. We didn't have that. So we had this market push all the way down. And at this point, this is where I executed myself. I saw this candle close here like this. I took a sell from this point, put my stop loss here. It was almost hit, but it was not touched. Good thing, right? Almost hit, but not really. So then we had this push down, take profit one, two, hit, done. Actually, I stayed out of the market, and I see here I could have taken another trade at this point. But then anyway, you know what? You plan to trade and you trade the plan. You don't trade outside the plan that you plan, you know. So yes, the sales did work out very well over here. Entry was here. This was just a retracement all the way to this point. Almost touched my stop loss. I didn't move the stop loss, but the stop loss was strictly at this point. And it wasn't touched, so that was a good thing. So I won these two trades, the two sell trades that were there. All right. Okay, let's see. What we got for today? Today, do we still have the WEF meeting happening? Nah, ended yesterday. All right. So we have the GDP on the USD and unemployment claims coming at 430. Then we have the PCE core price index coming out. And yes, that's all that's all about it there is to know. Okay. Yeah. Yesterday Trump did make a speech. I told you in the morning that he's gonna be on the WEF, World Economic Forum, and he's gonna be doing a speech. And you see what happened to gold when he did a speech? It went down. All right. So you may be asking yourself, why did gold turn around and start pushing down? It's that one. Yeah, that one. That is the 1 minute. Extend to the right. Yes. Okay. La, 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 la. All right, good. So we have the monthly low over there. We're doing again our usual analysis, price action based on market structure. We're observing the breakout trades, weekly low. So we're looking at support resisted levels that need to be broken so that we can push either up or down. And there we go. So daily lows is over here, daily lows. All right, we have a daily high over here. That is yesterday's candle. It's about that point, 4 hours. 4 hours we down over here. Then it's already passed. I'm seeing there's another level over here. Let's see 1 hour. Yes, yes. I'm gonna work with this as 1 hour low. And I'm gonna work with this as the 1 hour high over here. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we go down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what we're working with in 30 minutes over there. We're just doing some bit of readjustment over here just to check what could be wrong. Over here, that minutes low, it's over there. And that minutes high, of course, over there. We have this, we got this one like that. And wow, it looks, that's even 15 minutes, bro. Oh no. All right. So there was this. This just got broken over here. And the candle close above. This is supposed to be a buying area. But then now we have the candle close all the way deep. So at least we're gonna wait for this market to come down. If this market comes down to this point and closes below above this line, we could take a potential buy limit over there. So you could set a buy limit over there. Potential. Could set a potential buy limit for it to come and tap and then boom, move up. You can do something like that, or you can just decide to be a very patient. trader and wait for potential safe sells. Buys above here. All right. So you can wait for either of that. Either you wait for this one to come down and touch this point and then go up. Because entering over here is a bit risky because again you're gonna have to put your stop loss here and your risk and your reward would be the same. You'll be looking at the same, which is not really I wouldn't advise that, to be honest. But this will make the best idea. Should it come down? See, the thing is, it doesn't have to come down. I'm just saying, should it come down? If it doesn't come down, I'm gonna just wait for my buy stop over here to be activated. I'm not gonna do a buy stop. I'm gonna wait to see first of all how the candle closes. If the candle closes well, I'm gonna take the buy stop. I'm gonna put a buy stop. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just wait and then take an impulse entry. But for the sales, let's check the sales. Um, yeah, we have potential aggressive sales over here. This is gonna be an aggressive sell, but the best sales will be down about here to their point, and then next one to this point. All right, so potential safe sales will be here. It's gonna be at that point, short position. Okay, so we have the aggressive sales first. This is aggressive sales. This one's crazy. But the real sales or the ones that I'm gonna be jumping in with confidence gonna be these ones over here. Should we have that? All right, so this today we have both sides. We have potential aggressive entries and we have safe entries. So safe entries over here for buys, aggressive entries. This is a buy limit. This will be a very good one. If the if the candle comes over here and it's unable to break down, it could bounce over here and then go back over here. So I think this stop loss I can put it down here, so that at least I give it the play on this area so that it can go back up. And if it goes back up, I'm gonna hold it all the way to go up over there. Right? So that's what I'm going to be checking on. I advise you to check on that as well. Risk manage your trades well. Trade what you see, not what you think. Let's meet tomorrow. We do a review of the same. Happy hunting, everybody. Happy hunting. All right. Let's